Plans, colleagues, last year that was the agenda that we were pushing or supporting. Into ethi ake sithola ama-plans azimele nje ngoba mangabe siwathola isidididini mhlawumbe kubukhuni nokutrack nokuzibona ukuthi senzani nini kanjani. Ama-district reading and maths improvement plans were informed by ama-provincial plans. Yakhandwa plan, the provincial reading plan. Then ukhandi district plan kwakuwukuthi ama-districts awabuke ukuthi kwi-province kuthiwani bese thina senze yethu at-district level, at-district reading plan ethi level yenakhuzana ye-district. Akhandiwe, colleagues, everything also informed by the national reading strategy. Akhandwa kwancishiswa nama-pillars because initially kwakunama-focus areas or pillars awu 10. The new plans enziwe, there are only 4. There are only 4. Meaning ngamanye amazwi uthi national, you know what? Uma sifuna uku-improve i-reading, ake senze into eziwu-4. Just 4 things. The policy mediation, focus area number 1, policy. Ukuthi wonke umuntu uyazi ukuthi ithini vele policy. That is focus area number 1 that is featuring in the district reading plan and also the maths plan. IBCT 2, it is sitting at teacher development. That is focus area 2. Okhona kwini kuma reading plans. Ngizothi and maths plans ngoba kuyafana. Okwenzeka aba reading kwenzeka naba maths. Is focus area number 2, it is teacher development. IBCT focus area number 3, it is LTSM. Similar njani kuma resources. Focus area number 4, the final one, parents and community involvement. Only 4. Unational strategy sakhe ukuthi kunganjani ngesenze lezo 4. Sibone ukuthi kungamuveka yini. So each focus area ibifake outcome, ifake konke, ifake nama activities. Ngamanye amazwi under policy, what are we doing? Under teacher development, what are we doing? Under LTSM, what are we doing? Under parents and community involvement, what are we doing? Just 4. Bese kuba nepillar eyodwa noma focus area eyodwa which is a cut across. Lekhuluma nge-monitoring and evaluation. So colleagues, lokho sikuhlanganele la konke nokwama problems nani uma singabuka lama pillars awu 4 kusho ukuthi ngena under which pillar? Teacher development. Agreed, colleagues? Yes. Kulama focus areas awu 4 ingena under teacher development. Just promote ama focus areas awu 4. So enziwe kama plans, colleagues. This was last year. They were signed off by my district directors, and it drives this year into implement of wow. So a step. Each district needs to establish a reading committee. Kuhambe kahle kwamanye ama-districts, kodwa kwamanye ama-districts akuhambanga kahle. Ini na colleagues indaba ukuthi establishwe this district committee functional. Lasibona khona izinto imuva kokunye into yakhona imuviswa ukuthi there is this functional district reading committee. Le committee ke yiyo le edonsa u-circuit manager, idonsa u-TD, yes i-custodian ku-TLS, idonsa u-SNES, idonsa siyayibona yini iyayikhandela kanjalo.